Paul Davies.
Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Economy, Energy and Planning outlining the Welsh Government's approach to supporting the tourism industry in Wales. Tourism businesses in Pembrokeshire are struggling with a number of challenges due to recent policy changes from governments here and indeed at Westminster. The increased regulation on the sector doesn't actually recognise the individual circumstances of the sector's businesses. Indeed, policies like the 182-day self-catering threshold, increased council tax premiums, minimum EPC grades, and now the Welsh Government's plans for a statutory licensing scheme all add an additional financial burden to those businesses. So, Trefnydd, the tourism sector needs reinforcement, not further regulation. In light of the ever-increasing pressures that businesses are facing, it's vital that we have a statement from the Welsh Government outlining its priorities for the sector and how it plans to support the sector going forward.
Thank you very much, Paul Davies. And yes, I acknowledge the points that you've made in terms of challenges to our Welsh Government tourism industry in Wales, but also I think after this extraordinary summer that we've had, we must really celebrate the impact, the positive impact and benefits of tourism in Wales. I think many of us actually were able to enjoy some of our recess in West Wales, for example, in your constituency, Paul, as you will know. And absolutely amazing to see the vibrancy of the tourism industry in Pembrokeshire, and with many visitors from overseas, the wonderful hospitality industry, the great use of our coastal path and all the adventure, how families are absolutely coming to West Wales, I say. So yes, of course, we engage with the tourist industry, with the businesses. We look to them in terms of learning how we can improve conditions and infrastructure, working with our local authorities. But, let's also celebrate and recognise that Wales is the tourist destination.